Hi, I'm Haley Eatman with Marielle Animal Health, and my products are Ulcer Guard, which is a preventative medication for ulcers in horses, and GastroGuard, which is a treatment for ulcers in horses. My customer is Deidre Sanders with Ocala Equine Hospital, and she's interested in purchasing ulcer care products for sale in the pharmacy. I'm going to try and get her to become an account holder with Marielle and purchase Ulcer Guard and GastroGuard. My two assigned handling objections is demonstration and alternative product. And my assigned closing strategy is objection. Now we'll start the presentation. So, hi Ms. Saunders. I'm Haley Eatman with Marielle. It's nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
So I hear you're a show jumper.
Yes, I've been in the show jumping circuit for about 15 years.
Wow, I did some show jumping back in high school. I didn't stick with it. Wish I had of, but you know. Anyways, I know you're really busy, so if you'd like to, we could go ahead and continue with our presentation.
All right, that would be great. Let's begin.
All right, so I'd like to give you a little background information on Marielle. Marielle is a global leading animal pharmaceutical company. We operate in over 150 countries, and we make significant investments in research and development with 13 research and development centers around the world. Marielle is dedicated to developing pharmaceuticals and vaccines with the highest level of quality and safety through extensive network of 17 manufacturing sites. I have personally been with the company for a year after graduating from the University of Florida with a degree in animal science with an equine specialization and a minor in management and sales and agribusiness. Do you have any other questions about me and Marielle?
No, you've pretty much covered it.
All right, great. Well, I understand your pharmacy is looking for some ulcer care products to sell to your patients.
Yes, I'm actually looking for medications for treatment and prevention of stomach ulcers to sell to clients who come into the pharmacy.
All right. Well, Marielle does provide leading products for ulcer care in horses. And I feel like we have exactly what your pharmacy is going to need. Would you like to learn more about Marielle and the products we have to offer?
Yes, definitely.
All right. Well, Ulcer Guard is a medication that is FDA approved to prevent stomach ulcers in horses, and GastroGuard is an FDA approved to treat stomach ulcers and is the #1 veterinary approved product on the market. Both of these products are oral medications that are in a paste form. They're individually wrapped and they're pretty easy to administer. They're a lot like a dewormer. You give the dosage based on your horse's weight. You rotate it to the plunger, and when you rotate it, it'll stop the plunger, and whatever you squirt in there, it's only going to put that into your horse's mouth. So it's really easy to use, and it's based to be like an oral medication, just like a dewormer.
So when you say the administration is the same as an oral dewormer, is the weight marked on the tube?
Well, so you're asking, is the actual physical weight of the horses that you're going to administer given on the tube like a dewormer?
Yes.
Well, actually, no. What it is it's done by doses. So we have 4 doses per tube. And instead of the actual weight being on there, you just decide whether you're going to give your horse 1 dose, 2 dose, 3 dose, 4 doses. And 1 dose per day is recommended for horses that are around 600 to 1,200 pounds. And 2 doses per day are recommended for horses that weigh over 1,200 pounds. So I actually have a sample here I can show you. So this is the actual Ulcer Guard. And as you can see, we have 1 dose, 2 dose, 3 dose, and 4 dose. And then you just rotate this, and then to slide it down, mark your doses that you choose to give, and then you just squirt it in your horse's mouth, just like in this photo, just to give you a little idea of what it actually looks like. So it's just like a dewormer. So does this answer your question?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Great. So do you think that this product will be easy to give like a dewormer for your patients?
Yeah, I think my patients would easily be able to administer this medication.
Great. Are you ready to discuss prices and make an order today?
I'm not sure if I'm ready just yet. I would like to know a little bit more about the benefits of becoming an account holder with Marielle.
Sure. Well, Marielle runs promotions on their products seasonally. If you become a customer, I will personally come by and give you an advance notice of our promotions and what we're going to have. I also will send monthly emails to let you know of promotions and other things that we have, like what if our product on sale whatever, coupons, that kind of thing. And then we also, like, not only do we do promotions on UlcerGuard and GastroGuard, but we also do them on our dewormers, our vaccines, and all the other products we offer. These updates that I will give you will let you know when you think the best time will be and the cheapest time to buy your particular product, so that way it'll save you money in the long run. Actually, I have a value analysis here that I can provide for you that'll give you an example of a promotion we did last month on UlcerGuard. It was a buy 10, get 2 free. So each tube is about $39, and if you bought 12 of those, you're going to spend about $117. Whereas if you buy 10 and get 2 free, you're only spending about $97.50. So that's roughly saving you $19.50 per 2 tubes. So if you bought it in bulk to sell in your pharmacy, you're going to actually save a good bit of money in the long run.
All right, well, I can see that these promotions are definitely going to save you money, but I have heard about other products on the market, such as GastroMax. So I'm not quite convinced that your product is the best.
Right. So you're wondering how our products compare with other products on the market, like GastroMax.
Exactly.
Okay, well, first I'd like to point out that GastroMax it may be a cheaper product, but it only has 3 doses within each tube, whereas UlcerGuard and GastroGuard are done by 4 doses, so you're going to get 1 extra dose per tube, or at least your patient will. Whereas you're not going to get that with GastroMax and other products on the market. They just don't have that capacity. And another thing I'd like to point out is GastroMax is not FDA approved, like GastroGuard and UlcerGuard. They are the only ones that are FDA approved on the market.
Why would it be so important for it to be FDA approved?
Okay, well, FDA approval of medication is a validation that is proven to provide the desired results for that species of which it has been said to do. It ensures the quality, purity, potency, and the bioavailability of that product. Each unit is manufactured for the therapeutic consistency, and it's proven for storage availability. So it's going to last longer, and it's going to stay safer longer for your horses. So it improves that the safety has been scientifically demonstrated and tested.
Okay. Then I see why it would be important to provide my patients with, a product that has been FDA approved.
Okay. So does this help convince you why my company will provide your pharmacy with high-quality products that are the best on the market?
Yeah, that did help me convince myself.
Great. Do you have any other questions or concerns?
No, I believe you answered all my questions.
All right, so just to review, you're looking for ulcer care products to sell to your patients in your pharmacy. I've offered you 2 products, UlcerGuard and GastroGuard, to serve those purposes. And I personally believe that both these products are exactly what you need and will fulfill your needs for your patients and your pharmacy. These products are easy to administer, which we went over. They also have monthly promotions, if not, then at least annually promotions on these products to save you money in the long run. So if you're ready, we can begin setting up your account with Marielle and place your order today.
Well, I do have one more concern. I have had problems before with ordering from larger companies in the past. And I just want to ensure that ordering from Marielle will be, easier for me.
Great. So, you're concerned about the convenience of ordering from Marielle because of your bad experiences in the past.
Right.
Okay, so we actually have multiple ways you can order from Marielle, one of which you're supposed to order from your distribution sales representative, but there's other options than just that. So, when you set up your account with us, we'll set you up an account where you can order online. And then we'll also set you up with your area's sales distributor so that you can order through them. But if you have any problems or concerns, you can always call me directly, and I can place your order for you. That way, if, say, something's happened and you can't get a hold of your distributor, or you have a last-minute sale or some kind of problem and you need something, you can come straight to me, and I can send your order directly into the company. Okay. So you can kind of get it rushed here a little faster. They don't like that, but I like to give my customers a little extra. So does this answer all your questions and concerns?
Yes, and I definitely think I'm ready to set up an account.
Great. So let's get started on that. I know your patients will be satisfied with UlcerGuard and GastroGuard, and I will stop regularly on my routes to check on you to make sure that you and your customers and your patients are satisfied and that everything's working for y'all, that you're happy with our products and our customer service and everybody that works for us. I also will make sure that you are informed on all our promotions so we can save you the most money as possible, because we want to keep you as a customer. But so glad you're welcome. You're joining our team. Thank you for your time and your business.
Thank you so much.